Blossom Park Drive in Mill Park. There are so many beautiful birds here, as you can see. Wow, look at this bird. It's so beautiful. Hello. Oh, this one is different. His head is red. This one head is green. I don't know. Green, white. That one is red. I don't know why. Maybe it's old. I don't know. See, I'm just 1 meter away from them. They are not escaping. See how beautiful they are? Hello. 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 Come here. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, there are so many red here, with red heads, red and white head. Probably different, or maybe different gender, I'm not sure. Maybe the male one is red-headed, something, red eyes, and the beautiful one is the female, I don't know. See how beautiful this park is. It's so beautiful. And as you can see, there's a kangaroo there. You can see kangaroos and birds. And this area close to the airport as well. And here the airplanes. Hello.